Hello guys, my name is Amber. Welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are playing the Don't Make the Angry Button, and this is the game. Oh no, the lava is freezing now. Okay, so this is the game. Is Don't Make the Button Angry. Dodge the balls. No, 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 no. And die. Okay. Big rainbow slide. Rainbow slide. Oh. I'm gonna push the button. Get it? No. I'm dying. Major shot! No, wait. Major shot. Do not major shot. Look at your head! Oh, my head is big. Finish the speed run. Oh, let's go. Let's do the speed run. Let's go, guys. Whoa, wait. What's happened? What? Finish the speed run. Oh, wait, I died. Wait. I'm not yet. Okay. Go, press the button. It's raining tacos. Don't. Okay. What's happened? Stay from the plate. Stay on the plate. Okay, you need to stay on the plate, guys. Be careful. Oh, no. No. I die. Get to the top. Go. I think this is flood. Hey! Everyone die? Begin the slide again. Sorry. Dancing dog? Where's the dancing dog? You're there! I see it. Dangerous? What's that? What? Let's go there. Andrade, go, go, go! Go, go! Oh, no, okay. Get it! Oh, there's Tsunami, go! Run! Wait! Go, go, go! Get on the bottom. Okay, click. Get it. What? I'm here. My head is big, guys. Look, guys. My head is big. Oof. Oh, it's oof. Finish the speed, guys. Go, go, go. Oh, no! I sleep. I sleep, guys. Begin the slide. This is my tablet. I will be correct. This one is the black. Aliens! Aliens! Oh, I die. Get to the top! Go! Okay guys, bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye. If you like this video, click like and share and comment down below. Bye-bye.